Welcome back to Daily Drives, the home for future tech, military marvels, and next-gen machines that are redefining power and precision. If you're someone who lives for the roar of rotors, the stealth of sky beasts, and the cutting edge of combat engineering, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. We're always bringing you the world's most advanced rides, whether they travel by road, sea, or sky. Today, we're diving into the skies with one of the most fearsome and technologically advanced helicopters in the world, the 2026 upgrade of the legendary Ka-52 Alligator. This isn't just an aircraft, it's a flying fortress, a battlefield commander, and an elite scout, all rolled into one aggressive, all-weather war machine. The Kamov Ka-52 Alligator has already established its name as one of the most capable attack helicopters on the global stage. But with the 2026 iteration, things have been taken to an entirely new level. Imagine a machine that can coordinate airstrikes, jam enemy radar, and fire precision-guided missiles, all while hovering like a hawk, observing its prey. Let's start with the design. The Ka-52 retains its distinctive coaxial rotor system, a signature feature of Kamov helicopters. This design eliminates the need for a tail rotor and offers unmatched stability, agility, and compactness, perfect for operating in dense terrain or urban combat zones. For 2026, the airframe has been reinforced using lighter composite materials that improve durability without sacrificing speed or fuel efficiency. The new composite skin also provides better radar absorption, making this beast stealthier than ever. Inside the cockpit, the 2026 version is where digital warfare meets raw military muscle. Dual pilot seating is preserved in a side-by-side configuration, enhancing communication and mission coordination. But the real magic lies in the upgraded avionics. Now equipped with AI-assisted target recognition, real-time data fusion from satellites and ground units, and enhanced electronic warfare capabilities, the Ka-52 can not only strike, it can strategize. When it comes to weaponry, the 2026 Ka-52 is an absolute monster. The new modular weapon system allows for rapid loadout changes depending on mission needs. It carries a 30mm autocannon mounted on the side, capable of firing armor-piercing and high-explosive rounds with precision. For missile strikes, it features a lethal mix of Vickr-1 and LMUR missiles, both laser-guided and capable of neutralizing armored targets and fortified structures from over 8 kilometers away. Not to mention, the 2026 upgrade includes smart drones that can be deployed mid-flight for recon, decoy, or kamikaze missions. The defensive systems are no less impressive. This helicopter isn't just about going on the offensive, it's built to survive in the most hostile skies. Infrared suppression, radar jammers, active countermeasure dispensers, and the latest version of the VTUPS 52 defensive suite all work in unison to detect, deceive, and destroy incoming threats, whether it's a heat-seeking missile or an anti-aircraft gun tracking its path. One of the most game-changing upgrades in the 2026 version is its full integration with swarm drone operations. That means the Ka-52 can act as a command node for multiple autonomous drones, directing them to scout, distract, or even eliminate targets independently. It's no longer just a helicopter, it's a flying hub in the networked battle space of the future. Its range and endurance have also been enhanced, with a new generation of engines offering better heat resistance and improved fuel efficiency. That means it can fly longer, farther, and in more extreme conditions, from frozen mountains to sweltering deserts. Let's not forget that this helicopter was built with more than brute strength in mind. It's designed for pilot safety too. The 2026 Alligator retains the ejection seat system, a rarity among helicopters, allowing pilots a last resort escape in case of critical failure or being hit in combat. It also features armored shielding around the cockpit and vital systems, drastically increasing survivability in high-risk missions. In terms of global relevance, the Ka-52 Alligator has proven itself in multiple conflict zones. The 2026 upgrade positions it not just as a national asset, but as a key player in export markets, attracting interest from countries looking to modernize their attack helicopter fleets without relying on Western tech. It's not just about power. It's about autonomy and independence in air combat capabilities. Asterisk, with all these enhancements, the Ka-52 Alligator 2026 becomes more than just a successor to its predecessor. It's an evolution, smarter, stronger, and deadlier than ever before. Whether deployed as part of a shock-and-awe assault or used in surgical, high-precision operations, this helicopter is an apex predator in the air. Asterisk, if you're as fascinated by military aviation as we are, the Ka-52 Alligator 2026 deserves your full attention. It's a living example of how the lines between aircraft, AI, and autonomous warfare are blurring, and how the battlefield of tomorrow is being shaped. Today, thanks for watching another thrilling breakdown on Daily Drives. If you enjoyed this look into the future of combat aviation, smash that like button, share this video with your fellow aviation geeks, and let us know in the comments what aircraft or defense system you want us to feature next. And of course, subscribe and ring that bell. We've got more futuristic beasts coming your way every week. Asterisk, until next time. Stay sharp, stay curious, and keep your eyes on the skies.